about how to apply command line arguments. So first of all, what is command line argument? A command line argument is an information that directly follows the program name on the command line when it is executed. To access the command line argument inside a Java program is quite easy. They are stored as strings in the string array passed to main. So, command line arguments are those arguments which we provided at the runtime during the console. We are not code the program, or we are not giving it in the code, but we can provide the arguments at the runtime. Let's see the code how to implement command line argument in Java. Of command line argument. First of all, we make a class command line argument example1, and inside it we create a main method, that is public static void main string args, and inside the main method we just print the value, that is your first argument is args0. So what happens in command line? We have to give the value in the Java compile time, or we can say in the Java runtime environment. So first of all, just save it and we'll see. Here I write Java command line argument example1.java. Hence it compiles successfully, and we write Java command line argument example1, and we give the value here, that is hello. Just and see, it will give me the value, that is hello here. So in this way we provide the values at the runtime. Let's see another example. Here we create a command line example 2, and in this we inside the main method we use the array for args length, that is for int I is equals 0 args dot length I plus plus, in which we can put as many values as we want. Just save it and let's execute it. Java command line argument example 2.java. See, it will give me the answer, compile successfully. Let's execute it. Java command line example 2, and here I provide three values, that is hi, hello, 1 2 3, or if I want to write India, I can also write it here. Just execute it. See, it will print the value hi, hello, 1 2 3 India, and this way. In this way, we use command line example or command line argument to print the values at a runtime. Thank you.